Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make one socket in switch and light wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. MCB circuit breaker, ELCB circuit breaker, light, switch and socket, phase connection to MCB circuit breaker, phase connection outgoing from MCB to ELCB circuit breaker, neutral connection to ELCB circuit breaker, phase connection outgoing from ELCB to switches, phase connection from switches to socket, phase connection from switches to light, neutral connection from ELCB to light, neutral connection to socket. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.